Alright, here we go. So we are going to make a grill for our food truck. It shall look like this once it's done. Look, there it is. So like I said before, you want to make sure that you're making your 3D objects off to the side of your actual big model, the food truck model. That way you can highlight it, right click it, make it into a group or component. That takes all the hundreds and thousands of little tiny lines and puts them all together as one. That way it doesn't get stuck, right? Otherwise it will get stuck to things, right? So like, let's say if I have like a simple 3D object, I'm gonna pretend this is a really bad like grill. Let's explode this real quick. There we go. And let's say I'm gonna move this without making it into a group or component. Alright? And then I go to move something else, it's gonna get stuck to it. That's a no-no, right?
Yeah, that's a beautiful.
I mean, it is cool if you're doing like abstract art or something, but for our purposes, not so good, right? Because we want to make it as realistic as possible. So if I'm making a super simple grill, let's see, like, so if I'm making a super simple barbecue type style grill, you can go to the internet, you can go to Google 3D Warehouse. You can get inspired by what they have, but please do not click, download, copy straight up someone else's work. Again, since none of us yet are professionals at 3D modeling on the computer in SketchUp yet, we can get inspired, but cannot download or copy straight up. So I can get inspired by these, but oh, it's got some little knobs on there, it's got some like hookups for the propane, etc. That's fine. Alright, so I'm just going to super duper quickly make a little grill. And today you're going to make your own grill on SketchUp, and you're going to take a screenshot and post it in the team chat. So don't be afraid to use the offset tool. So offset, the shortcut for that is what on your keyboard? Nope. F for fantastic, yes. F for fantastic. We're going to offset it. That makes sure that the lines equal all the way around. Maybe add some rectangles. More rectangles. Maybe offset a little bit more, add some more detail. Again, this is just one example. You can create however you like, but you want to make it very similar to this one. You can, but if you click before that, it messes it up. I would have messed it up. But yes, you can. You're correct. Alright, so that's pretty decent for the outside. I'm going to raise this up a little bit using the push-pull tool. These edges are all connected now because I erased the sides. And then I wanted to just maybe put some knobs on the side, like the ones on the internet had. So I'm going to go with the circle. Maybe push this out a little bit. And then make another circle using the offset tool. There we go. And then maybe have a little knob type thing on it. Bam. That is awesome looking. There we go. Maybe push that. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, there we go. That's awesome. Alright, I'm going to click it, highlight it, right click, make it a group. So this one piece is by itself. I can start moving it with the move tool. I can press the control button one time to make a copy of it. Start moving it again, press control. Start making it again, press control. And I probably want to actually move them over a little bit. So I'm going to hold the shift key, select tool, move it all over a little bit. That's a little bit better. The bottom part, I'm going to maybe use the scale tool, S on your keyboard. Scale it in a little bit. That's to make it look a little bit more fancier. Maybe have like a small vent hood at the back, so that we can get some of those fumes out. Maybe the tape measure tool, that'll work. Rectangle tool. Oh, and if it accidentally like covers over another part, you can click on it one time, press the delete key on your keyboard. So I can move this up, move this down, make kind of like a little hood type thing. Like this. Maybe scoot this piece up. Click on the edge. Move tool. Scoot it back a little. Push this in. There you go. So that's going to suck up most of the fumes. Again, when the Wing It to the Bone guys came out here, they had some bigger vents that were in the actual roof part. Because again, depending on the length of your truck, it will tell you how many big vents you have to have per foot. I think it's every 10 foot you need a big actual industrial size vent from the safety department. So again, I'm not going to spend the time right now just because of the interest of time about making your... I'm not going to color it right now. I'm not going to paint it. But if you do want to do that, you hit the paint bucket tool, or the shortcut is the letter B on your keyboard. But before I do any of that, I want to make sure I highlight all of it. Right click, make it a group. That way it doesn't get stuck when I start moving it around into the food truck. So today, all I need you to do is make your grill. Take a screenshot using what yeah, snipping tool. S-N-I-P-P-I-N-G. Snipping tool. What kind of file does it need to be? Yeah, we're gonna probably use the PNG files, correct? Bam. File, save it. Where do I gotta save it?
OneDrive.
Yeah, why can't I just save it to the computer?
Because then it will stay there on the computer, and if you need it,
yeah. Nice. It will get deleted. Alright, 3D grill. 3D. Save. Once you do that, you're going to go to Microsoft Teams. In the Teams chat, you're going to share your grill screenshot. Your exit ticket for today is, after you're done with this, posting it into the Teams chat. You're going to fill out a rubric for your grill. Boom. Based on the examples we've done this week and last week. So this is your exit ticket. Your priority is to get this 3D grill completed on your computer. Turn it into the Teams chat. If you don't wrap it, if you don't have enough time today, what time? 32? You can do that, yeah. If you don't get time to finish the rubric, you're going to finish it tomorrow. So once you, actually, never mind. Go quick, make sure your name date appears on your note card so we can do some random drawings somewhere. Andreas, can come around like this. Go ahead and put that in there. Bernard, you pass up one per person. So all you need at your computer is something to write with, your rubric paper that's coming to you. And once you have your rubric paper and you've given your note cards to Andres, you can go ahead and get started on the computer. Make sure your nose and mouth is covered at all times. Please and thank you. Tell me better. Thank you very much. Alright, once you have your rubric paper and you've given your note cards to Andres, go ahead and get started right now. Go! Lights are coming on. FYI 3, 4. So you're making your own grill in the, there you go,